Oh, hey guys, how's everyone today? Oh, hang on, what's this I'm wearing? This isn't one of my t-shirts. Hang on, this is a Masako X t-shirt with Goku and Raditz fused from his Dragon Ball R&R series, or what if Raditz turned good? Alright, let's get serious now. What did I just do? Can you tell me? I've just provided fan service. Now, why would I do that? Now, the first thing you got to understand, when you're a content creator, whether it's creating comics or you're doing self-help videos or whatever it is, it's very important to also provide content based off the things you like. For example, I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. I like everything Dragon Ball Z related, including what if stories and fan fiction stuff created by other fans. I like doing fan art on it and things like that. And I like sharing it on my social media along with the content that I create, which are my indie comics, my web comics, and all that sort of thing. Now, why would I be wasting time providing fan service for someone else's content? Shouldn't I be just squarely focusing on my content, trying to build that up so it makes me more money and I'm able to get more capital and blah 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 blah? Well, you'd think yes, but the answer actually is no, especially when you're looking at social media as a way of marketing. And what I mean there is when you look at social media and people just constantly drop links to their products or whatever it is they're doing at your feet all the time, there's nothing more annoying and more frustrating than that. So you see, by doing something like I was just doing just then, adding a little fan service to what I do, it's opening people up to more content. So when I do a Dragon Ball Z fan art, or if I draw a picture of Jason Voorhees and throw it on social media, I am sharing with my followers other things that interest me, other content that I'm interested in, and by using the hashtags to hashtag, say, Jason Voorhees, Friday the 13th, Goku, Dragon Ball Z, hashtag Masako X. I am opening, not only am I helping, sorry guys, I kind of paused there, talking to a camera is still pretty much new to me, but I know the more I do it, the more I'll get better at it. But yeah, so if I'm provide fan service to other content I like, such as other web comics or things I'm interested in, not only am I helping that out, I'm also helping myself out by drawing in more people who like that content onto, say, my Twitter or my Facebook or my Instagram. It's a way of bringing more people in. So yes, they may come to pretty much look at the fan art you do, but you'd be surprised of how many people actually stick around and check out your other tweets and what else you're into. It's a way of bringing more people in and helping out more people. And I really highly recommend doing this when you've started out, or even if you've been doing it for years. Always provide fan service to other content you like, because the key the key part of social media marketing is that social. You gotta socialize. You gotta interact with the things you like doing, because not only that. Okay, again, Alright, here's another example. I like reading a webcomic done by Sarah Nelson called Daniel. It's a horror, romance, vampire comic. And I always like to provide fan art. And and I do reviews on those things. And things like that. It helps them as well as helps me, because again, I'm drawing people who like her stuff. I'm drawing people from her audience over to what I do, as well as helping them out and bringing people from what I do to her audience. See how that works? As well as the other benefit to that is when you create content based on what someone else created that you like and they see it, they'll most likely retweet it, and that exposes it all further, and they may feel more inclined to help you out at the same time. So what have we learned in this video? Fan service is very important. It is a great marketing tool. You should consider every post you put on social media a form of marketing in some way. Even if you post what you ate for lunch that day, you're bringing people who ate that food over to you, who eat similar food over to your Twitter, and they see what else you're into. And you'd be surprised how many people out there probably have the same interests as you. You gotta think. You gotta be thinking of social media, what it actually is, not what it can do. Yes, it is a good place to put your own content, but you keep throwing it, you keep throwing it in there, you're only going to annoy your followers. You're not creating anything new, so to speak. But by mixing it up, you'll always have new content to show them, and a complete doorway to basically everything that is you. So what have we learned today? So one thing we've learned, providing fan service is a good thing to do, especially if you're trying to market your own stuff. We've also learned that social media marketing isn't just an advertisement tool where you just go, hey, buy my book, buy my book, buy my book. Hey, read my stuff, read my stuff, read my stuff, read my stuff. That's annoying and frustrating. So we've learned that it's not an advertising tool. It's social media. You gotta be socializing. You gotta be trying to engage with people. Right. So I hope this quick video has I hope you found this video more insightful and helpful, and I'm hoping this will help you market your own content so you can live the life you want to live, not needing to settle, which is ultimately the goal that I'm setting out to do when I make this video, because I know there are other webcomic creators who are going through the same hardships I'm going through, but I am investing time with myself to learn more about it in order to become more successful, help others at the same time, and help other struggling webcomic creators and other creators in general, whatever their content is, reach the full potential of what they can make from it. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and we'll be back again for another video. I believe I'm going to post more fan art for my next video, so be sure to check it out. This time I'll be sharing my Pennywise fan art, and of course breaking it down and discussing what inspired me to draw it, and what I was going for in the art. So definitely come back and check that out. And as always, for more content, check the links in the description. There's always doorways to more of my content. Alright, catch you guys later.